Your Excellency, how are you? Very fine. Excellency. Fine.
Now, come on, I beg. Back. Hey, manga, hey.
It's the only picture you can take. There can't be any interview.
Yes, no.
Just a picture. We have elections. We are going to win. Overwhelmingly.
How are you preparing for the election?
Very well, and we are going to win.
But go talk to press now about what happened in Niger.
Well, a very wonderful meeting. You know, Progressive Governors Forum is a family. The family of the largest party in Africa, All Progressive Congress. We had our meetings, part of our consultations, and also used the opportunity to listen to our national chairman, who came to brief us on the activities of the party and the proposed reforms intended to carry out in the party. So it was just a family discussion.
We understand you are strategizing for the November governorship election. Especially that's why we are having the chairman around.
Of course, part of our discussion, like I told you, was the briefing from the chairman. And inclusive is also preparation for the upcoming governorship election in 3 states.
How soon are we expecting the National Campaign Council?
Well, that is for the party. If you go to the National Secretariat of the party, you can ask for the timetable.
It's okay now. All right.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Wait.